everyone, I'm Meera. Hope you all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so get daily notification whenever I post the videos. If you want to feel like, oh my god, so happy, so cherished, so beautiful, and so calm and so peaceful, if you want to feel this kind of feeling for entire day, here's the video all about. Today I'm going to recommend you two books, and the two books are written by the Ruskin Bond. Yes, the favorite author of mine, the Ruskin Bond. And yeah, these are the two books I'm going to recommend in today's video, जो आपको seriously बहुत ज़्यादा cheerful, cherish feel करवाएंगी, बहुत peaceful, calm feel करवाएंगी जब भी आप उन्हें पढ़ोगे. और ये ऐसी बुक्स हैं कि आप अगर एक बार इन्हें फिनिश भी कर लोगे, स्टिल यू वांट टू रीड देम सो मच. दे आर द काइंड ऑफ अ बुक्स, मतलब कभी भी अगर आपको, एंड दीज आर द बुक्स लाइक, ये अगर आपको कभी भी कुछ भी लो फील हो रहा है तो दे डोंट हैव सर्टन चैप्टर्स, लाइक कुछ नोवेल वाली थीम नहीं है कि आपको एक ही पे स्टिक होना है और एक ही उठाना है और फिर आपको पूरा स्टार्टिंग से रीड करना है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. जस्ट पिक एनी चैप्टर, पिक एनी पेज फ्रॉम द बुक एंड यू विल फील वाओ. Oh my god, just I feel wow. These are my original reviews. Like, I really feels like, oh my god, how can such a person write the things so beautifully, can admire so beautifully in the nature. Like, I really love. हाँ, हम सब जानते हैं कि नेचर बहुत ब्यूटीफुल होता है. हम सब नेचर को बहुत पसंद करते हैं. हम सब पसंद करते हैं अपनी बालकनी में टहलना, कभी कभार अपने छतों पे टहलना, अपने टेरेस पे जाना, विंडो के बाहर देखना. सब कुछ सब लोग पसंद करते हैं. जस्ट टू हैव सम नेचर इनसाइड अस, अपने अंदर चेरिश फील करना, काम फील करना, पीसफुल फील करना. बट या, these books are kind of a thing like, आपको घर बैठे बैठे, विंडोज़ क्लोज भी हैं, हवा नहीं भी आ रही बाई चांस, और आप कहीं बाहर भी नहीं जा रहे, स्टिल यू कैन फील, oh my god, so calm, so peaceful. So here's the book one I am going to recommend. The book is The Beauty. This is written by the Ruskin Bond, as I told you, and this book is a hardcover I have here, and it is in the hardcover form only, this book. But this book, around, like, it's about 300 cost, so it's like, okay, you can go and buy this book. Has a quotations with poems inside it, and my god, so lovingly. The notes, the pages for notes are also here. And see the cover, when you open this, the cover is so beautiful, like, as the book is very beautiful. So here is that thing. And अगर आप इसको पढ़ोगे तो यू विल रियली फाइंड लाइक, ओ माई गॉड, दे आर ब्रिंगिंग सो मच हैप्पीनेस टू द वर्ल्ड. हम लोग कहाँ थे यार? हम लोगों ने क्यों इस तरीके से क्यों नहीं देखा अपने दुनिया को, लाइक हमारे वर्ल्ड को हमने तो कभी इस तरीके से नहीं देखा जिस तरह से यहाँ इस बुक में डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है. Here some quotes are written by the Ruskin Bond by itself, and some are written by the other authors, and they are also very admirable. So I will just say one for you. That love of my youth, a distant memory now, but a bright one, like a forget-me-not blooming on a bare rock. I really very inspired by this literature also. My god, this is very amazing. So if you want to feel like good every time, you can just have one page at least from this book. And the one page is only having like sometime one paragraph, or sometime one quotation, sometime one poem, and sometime one quotes, so, and statement something. So you can just, I think you can read 5 to 10 pages in a 5 minute. I can say, I think 5 to 10 pages in 5 minutes you can read. So this is very wonderful book. I think you have to go and check this book. And this is very welcoming, like thoughtful. This will makes you feel wow, so amazing. And here's the second book which I'm going to recommend is again the nature stories, my favorite nature stories from Ruskin Bond. See, the cover is so pretty now, and I really like the cover. This is decent, beautiful. Oh my god, it's nice. So here's our little, and this book is around 140 or 135 pages maybe. So a short book, you can complete it in 10 days, I think. Like, I completed this in 10 days because I think I can complete this on one sitting, but I was having some work with me, so I can not, so I just completed it in the 10 days. So this is a kind of a very beautiful book. This written in the form of chapters like something, and you can just pick any chapter from the book. Like I have started reading it. When I was started reading it, I started reading, मैंने सबसे पहले starting से ही पढ़ना शुरू किया था, because new book है तो of course you may like to read from the starting, from the beginning of the book, but you can read it from anywhere. Like कोई भी चैप्टर खोल लो, सारे चैप्टर न्यू है, सो कुछ इनोवेटिव है हर चैप्टर में, हर चैप्टर कुछ एक नया लेकर आ रहा है, तो यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड चेक any kind of a thing in this book. So this book is a kind of a very very beautiful book, and this is all about the natures, like trees, butterflies, mountains, and I just love mountains. So hill stations, hill area, and this is more mostly describe about the Himachal and Himalaya and Masuri kind of us. And you know, we all don't have a good thinking about snakes, and we just kind of, oh my god, snakes, oh yuck. So but here the person explores snakes so beautifully, like you really really love. Here's in one chapter I read about the leakage of water. So here's the person also defines in a very beautiful nature beauty a leakage of water. They describes it very beautifully. So I think you just go and check these books, so you will know how beautiful and happy they are. They will make you joyous in just one term. आप पढ़ोगे और तुरंत बहुत joyful feel करोगे, बहुत happy feel करोगे. I think you should go with this book. So these two books are the wonderful read from the Ruskin Bond. I will going to read other Ruskin Bond books also. This book has also some parts like the scenery, friendship, comfort, the little book of comfort. This is a little book of beauty. So बहुत सारे parts भी हैं इसके, बहुत सारे, like the one of my favorite is like time stops at Shumley. Yeah, that was really nice. So this is the beautiful book here. The two books are very beautiful. So just take these two books and let me know that how you like these books. And if you like this video, then please thumbs up to the video. And if you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button and stay tuned till next video I will upload. Thank you for watching.